Yeah, and this is just a quick little demonstration of how easy Article Post Robot is to use, and why this is the best article submission software that you can get online. Nothing has the features of what this program does, and even though it's probably got the most features of all of them, it's the most easiest to use. And I'm just going to give you some examples here. Now, here's all the sites, and you'll see that there's 705. Now, you don't have to post to them, and you can actually add up to 432,000 sites is how many this will hold. If you want to add another site, you just come here and pick which type of script that it's got, click add, click return, and then put your login details there. So, I mean, that's one great feature already. If you've got favourite article sites that you use all the time, add them to your list, and then you can just tick them so that they're submitted to. Now, these ticks will stay here every time too. You can set up a default settings and things like that with the ones that you like posting to, or if you're like me, I use the same ones all the time. Some I don't use. Now, also here you've got mail lists from Google's groups and Yahoo and all sorts, so you can send your articles out to ensigns and things like that. But this is a really good stuff. Here you can pick categories, and you just go through and pick 5 categories and cut and paste in your keywords, right? And then we start getting into the real powerful stuff. Right now, here we can actually go and add, and I'll just give you a thing here: blogging titles open, click tick here, and I'll show you what that does. If I go into titles here, see here I've got just a text file here. Each one of these is a title, and you can have, like I've got 3 here, but you can have 10, 50, 100, 1,000 different titles, right? And what Article Post Robot will do when you've got this ticked and this ticked is it will go through and randomly pick a title. See there what it's done there? It's picked the number 2. Now, how that makes it powerful is because you can also do the same with summaries. Load a summary file and article content. Now, I've already got a folder here open, and I'll just show you once again what the folder looks like. So I've got all these articles, and each time it will come through and randomly pick an article. So you've got a random summary, a random title, a random article. Now, say you haven't got as many articles on hand as I have, just make a few changes. Get one article, save it 10 times, go through and make a few changes, add a few lines of text to one, delete a few lines of text of another, change some paragraphs around. Just do enough to make them a little bit different. And so then you'll also have a different article getting posted. So different title, different summary, different article. And I mean, this is how easy it is to use. It's all text files, no mucking around with any code or you know, having to put, like, in some of them you see this sort of rubbish, you know. I haven't got time to muck around with stuff like that. And then your author options, and you can put your name, your last name, your country, URL, your pen name, and just to chuck away email address that you never use. And then you can have 2 HTML links, and once again you can have as many resource boxes as you like. Now, why that's really great, you can write, like, say you want to target 20 keywords. Well, write 10 resource boxes with 2 different keywords in each resource box. And once again, you can see here, use random checked. Just click and just load a selected author bio. And like I said, you can set up bios for all the affiliate programs that you've got, and it's just a really, really powerful way of getting it done. And then when you're ready to start posting, all you do is come here. Now, I'm not logged in. You just log in, go to your browser, put your password in here, click login, come to other options, tick automatic post, manual post if you want to check as it's posting along, or you can watch it in the browser. I just do automatic post, hit start post robot, and bomb. And like I said to you before, just in case you thought I was joking, there you can see, look, 432,000 directories you can have, and you can have that many mail lists too if you like. Like I said, it's just this software here is incredible. It is easy to use. It's packed with features, and it hasn't got any of the mucking around, like, you know, putting in captchas and things like that. It's just press that start post robot button, and that's what it does. It does all your posting, and then at the end you can save your project. And so if you want to change some of your settings to do a repost, you can go to your history, get your log file, and right at the end, when it's finished posting, it will put up on the screen a log file of all the some successful submissions that you had. It's just fantastic. No, nothing comes close. I've tried Article Submitter Gold version. I've tried Internet Marketing, IM Wishlist Submitter. I've tried half a dozen different article submission programs. None of them even came close to Article Post Robot. And I'll tell you what, Article Post Robot's the cheapest of them all. The best features, the easiest to use. You can't beat it. But hey, the only way you're going to find out, go to Articles Post Robot, no dashes, no .com, and get a copy yourself. And I've got a couple of free bonuses that are going to help you create links to your articles, and a free report showing you exactly how to use these bonuses to get even more traffic coming in.